So we're going through a pretty drastic overhaul, a pretty drastic change in the way that Cardano functions. We've dealt with a lot of these new rollouts during this bear market cycle, and we've seen a lot of things improve. Different routes for scalability. We've seen obviously the emergence of now on-chain governance, which is supposed to be launched soon with the Chang hard fork. But I think one of the things that really opens up the door for Cardano as a whole is partner chains. So we've talked about Midnight before, what Midnight is really doing. It's a, privacy chain. It's the first partner chain in this Cardano ecosystem. And this is kind of setting the tone for many others to follow. And in fact, Charles Hoskinson posted this hypothetical question on Twitter yesterday, asking, would you like to see Bitcoin Cash become a Cardano partner chain, upgraded with useful proof of work, Laos, NIPO, proof of works, and Ergo Tech, thus being the fastest and most useful proof of work chain ever built? And this is where we start to have some interesting discussions, because a lot of these chains that may come in and utilize this, they may be able to utilize the benefits that Cardano provides for the space. Perfect security, perfect uptime, Cardano consensus, right? There's a lot of technical things that these different chains can benefit from. Now, obviously, the Cardano community shows out in a big way. This is at 12,579 votes, 66% of people saying yes, that this should happen. Will it happen? Probably not. It's a decentralized blockchain. It's probably not going to be joined in that way. But if the tech is there and it makes sense, maybe. What we're likely to see is a lot of new chains that are launching try to join this path, because that frankly makes the most sense, right? Most of these other chains are established down their own path. But as this grows, as people start seeing the potential from partner chains, that's where this again becomes a much more interesting discussion about how Cardano can grow, how it can scale, what type of further utility comes from Cardano as the base layer of this partner chain network. Seamless integration of multiple blockchains, easy transfer of assets from one chain to another. There's tons of great opportunities that come from this. And this is something that I think we can't quite grasp fully yet, because right now, again, we're just talking about Midnight. Midnight's the only one right now. Midnight is that proof of concept, and we're still even in the test net for that, right? Well, the sandbox, the open sandbox now. But when this launches and people see how these two chains interact and how the actual utilization of the Cardano blockchain with this network works, then I think that opens up the doors to more piling on. We're at this point where many of these things that have launched for Cardano have not been utilized yet. They haven't really been tested in a big way. I hope that makes sense. We're kind of in that conceptual rollout phase for Cardano. Yes, the things are rolled out, but nobody's really taken them to their full potential. But this is where the door may start opening for Cardano in a big, big way. So I just thought I'd share that with everyone. I'd love to hear your thoughts and hear if you think that Bitcoin Cash as a blockchain joining the Cardano network as a partner chain would be a big deal, if it would not. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.